Hello everybody, this is James. This is my frequency generator, a field tech, and this is my bifilar coil. This is my input, 62 volts, and these right here are my cells. There's 120 cells running in series, and fluke meter, a peak meter, and another RMS meter, and a DC milliamp meter. Okay, and this is my bifilar coil. Okay, and this is my homemade amplifier. This is my gate. Okay, we're going to turn this thing on. Alright, now we're pulling about 2 amp at 62 volts. The scale's off the scale, maybe 1200 watts. And over here the peak meter's running about 1200. RMS is overloaded, and the RMS meter here is reading about 750, 775. And my milliamp meter is reading 80 milliamp. Alright, here's the gas she's making. We're going to light some of this up. Pretty strong gas. Okay. See a little spike in the bottom I don't quite understand. That's the gate. Okay. Thanks for watching.